Okay, hey, what's up guys? We got a 2019 Odyssey, and today I'm going to show you guys how to remove the rear view camera. Alright, so basically what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to wedge my small flat head screwdriver right here, because that's where the tab is. I'm sorry, okay. So I'm gonna wedge my thing there. I'm gonna press the tab on this side, one side each, halfway out, and I'm gonna wedge the other side on the same exact position, like right here. That's where the tab is. Like that. Ta-da! It's out. Alright guys, so basically this is how it was originally. So you wanna try to wedge your flathead right here, small flathead screwdriver, and try to push this tab in so it will come out, but don't bring it out all the way out, just partially. And you do the same thing on the other side. Wedge your flathead and press this tab, and it surely will just come out. Alright guys, I'm just gonna remove the clip here. Boom. Alright guys, so this is the new one here. This is basically have to plug in the connector, and boom, that's done. Now you got yourself a brand new rear view camera.